Hello, ho, ho, ho. I hope you can hear me. Yeah, welcome to another stream. Please have some patience. I will be ready to code and to talk in a few minutes. 1 second. Yes, in any second now. Just have to post on X that I'm live streaming. And yes, almost done. Almost. And yeah, also on Instagram, even if no one really, yeah. I guess Instagram is not that important, but anyway, whatever. I should not miss that one out. So Instagram, not Instagram. It's not. Okay, so yeah, welcome to another stream. Now I'm hearing myself, was not my goal. Sorry for that. And yeah, hope you're doing all fine. Anyone who joined, anyone who is watching the recorded version, hope you're all good. And with that in mind, you see the state of the game. While not streaming, I included something that is called inventory, or a new inventory in the game. At the moment, if I open this inventory, nothing happens. It is the same as the attributes. Yes, also this one, the skill system, was added yesterday. So you can see here, now we have shards which we can spend on. Yeah, now there are only 2 buttons, but there will be added a lot of more. And then we can view our attributes in the next button. And here, this will be for the inventory, this one. But as long as that is not the case, we need to add it. I'm still feeling sick, so don't mind me if I'm a little bit underwhelming, or my performance is a little bit underwhelming. I promise we'll get better when I'm healthy again. Okay, and that in mind, guess, yeah. Okay, so what's today's plan? First, let me see if I can track the stream. Yes, I can. Perfect. Not this one. Yeah, I wanted to see this one. Okay. Now, let's continue. So first of all, we need an item class as a placeholder. Import, I guess it was sprite point player. SPL. Yeah, item will be more defined later, but from now we are just using kind of a placeholder for that. And now the item class is just a placeholder, but we will import it in the interface one. Const global font import sprites point items point item class as item class. So yeah, items are placeholders. We will have different items which serve as an equipment or anything else. So yeah, by the way, if any questions, I forgot to mention, if there are any questions, please feel free to write them down in the chat. And yeah. Inventory. Pandas. Let's do it like this. Column and row. Then nothing new in the chat. Yeah. Equals column, self point row equals row. In range. Yeah, that's important. If you don't say in range, it's for nothing. Yeah, kind of simple. Oh, I minimize. Sorry for that. It's kind of simple, but what's important is you kind of, yeah, what is important? That you find your own way to pick up and, yeah, switch items during different inventories, and by doing that, you can handle all sorts of chests and, yeah, trading and all sorts of things like that. Okay. Okay. Here we go. And here the menu is inventory. Do I have a player? Player point inventory and player okay. Yeah, the player has its own inventory, so XY. Let's say 200, y equals 200, width equals 500, and height equals 500, columns equals 10, rows equals 10, something like this, with this, something like this. I hope I got it right. Even a tiny bit. And yes, every teeny bit helps. Sorry for the bad English. Okay. Now. Yeah, I will get myself some water too, because yeah, I'm still sick, so drinking water is important. But now back to the interface. For E row in self point rows. Don't I have rows? Are you? Ah, okay, in range, of course. In range rows. Why does this not work? Oh, I'm in the wrong menu. Okay, forget what I'm doing here. Oof. Wrong menu, by the way. Oh, there's a... Why not? Import inventory. Why does this not work? Don't get it. I don't get it. Hello to the one who joined recently. Yes, I'm kind of trying to fix an issue about the player inventory. Import inventory. Import base files point interface as in f inventory Okay, now he got it. Inventory has no attribute buttons. It should have at least one button. Which is the exit button. Yeah, here we go, perfect. Can you see it? Yeah, nothing spectacular, but now when I click on the inventory, the actual inventory of the player opens. That's basically it. That's basically it. One second, I need to get a call. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, call was important. Okay, yeah. Sorry. Now let me test something. Okay, everything seems alright. Now what was the plan? I have to rethink. So, okay. Yeah, I was thinking how I can implement it. So, I should write something like test. So, yeah, chat box. Let me put that aside. Again, I'm in the wrong menu. Okay, let's do it for in self point. Let's need to create a really small image for the slot. Will be, I guess, how long is an inventory slot? 2020 or 4040? Long. Pygame point, draw, rectangle, screen, XY, 30. S point blit. Game point screen x equals S. Got column, I wrote it, column with an N. Okay, perfect. Now, yeah, the inventory has to be larger. Yeah, it has to be larger. Anyone in the chat? Hello to anyone who joined recently. Yeah, I'm working on the inventory system of my roguelike game. So feel free to join or ask any questions you want to ask. Okay. inventory, the player inventory has to be much larger. It's only let's make it 800 and 800. And wrong one. And range. Here we go. Let's say 160. Perfect. And if I say something like as x and so his slot has xy width and height. Self point x equals x, self point y equals y, self point width equals width, self point height equals height. Rectangle equals pygame point rectangle, xy width height. Okay. Now, what again was the formula? X equals 40 plus multiplied with 40. Y equals, oh no, this is C. And y equals 40, oh no, 160 plus C multiplied with 40. And now we can do it really easy. Equals xy self point y. Oh, yeah, this is what I did something wrong. Okay, let's see what I maybe did wrong. Anyone in the chat? No, so yeah. Let me continue. some copyright-free music for stream. Or I will do this after the first break. Oh yeah, that was the issue. Not really. Oh yeah, this is also an issue. Not really. Okay, that's better. Now let's add 80 to it. Okay, and with that in mind, I will make a short minute break. Be right back in... Oh, not this late. I will be back at, I guess... Be back in 5 minutes. See you. Okay, let's move on. This side, this is a little bit large, even if I really... Yeah, never mind. Okay, so yeah, like again, if any questions are regarding my code, please write them in the, in the chat. Now what is up next? First of all, get rid of my, I don't know how you call it, when you drink too much water and you feel dizzy. But I feel dizzy anyways because I'm still feeling sick. But yeah, this doesn't keep me away from steaming. Yeah, I'm steaming. That's the thing. I'm steaming. You know, steam. Hello, hello, MX Morris. I used it for HTML, or if it's kind of a placeholder, but not for Python. Python, I would recommend PyCharm or an IDE that is specified for the programming language. If you code in Java, for example, I would prefer JavaScript. But you mean Visuals? I can't speak anymore. I'm so sorry. I guess you are referring to a Visual Studio. For notebooks, you can use it. Or you mean a notebook as there's also a programming language called Notebook, but I guess you're referring to just if you are coding with a notebook, then yeah, I would also for Python, PyCharm, and yeah, for things like HTML, C++, you can of course use VS Code. VS Code or VS Studio is not bad by any means. By any means, it's really good because yeah, a lot of people use it. Yeah, you get many pros just by using VS Code. Many tutorials rely on that, so it's easier to follow certain tutorials. But PyCharm has yeah, many pros and many benefits, like yeah, most of all the libraries. You can manage the libraries, you can manage the version of the library, because it's really important if you dive into AI stuff, that for certain models you need really certain versions of a library. For example, I mean, here I can simply import pygame, which I marked here. But if you're using an AI, you sometimes need, what's for example, a version 1.6, but the library, if you pip install the library, he usually installs 1.7. And in PyCharm, you can easily handle it just by getting to the settings. Let me see if this is not visible in 1 second, and I will add it. Here we go. So now you could see it. Here are the settings. And yeah, in these settings, you can easily manage plugins, version control, the versions of everything, and of your project, most importantly, the Python interpreter, base files. I guess this could also be manageable with VS Code, but not that easy. So yeah, I'm kind of a fanboy of PyCharm. Okay. But yeah, you can use, if you are more used to VS Code, use VS Code. It's kind of, yeah, more up to the programmer what you prefer, but I prefer, and yeah, that's... Don't know why the ask button is in the middle. Okay. A Jupyter Notebook info S. Data science. For data science, I simply use pygame importing pandas, and because in Python it's really easy to do that. You simply import what you need. I work with pandas, pandas, numpy, and matplotlib. And by using them, most of all I have to work with Excel and CSV files. I can import them, can alter them, and can calculate with them. And then you can create matplotlib. You can create all your you can plot everything like your boss wants it to see, and they are happy with it. So you can really much do this, but and VS Code, I've saw many tutorials where people used it. Maybe if I would have started with Jupyter or Jupyter, I don't really know how to pronounce it, I'm sorry. If you start with it, I guess it's up to what you started and what you are more what you are more used to. Sorry. Kind of my tongue gets the better of me, or my tongue is has a life on its own. But for now, I mostly use Python for pygame. And okay, any more questions? Write them down. Apart from that, what was my goal? My goal was now to check. I could try to implement. If image equals none and image equals image, now I don't need the pass anymore. And now if container point, what was that? Oh, thank you really much. Thank you for the follow. Thank you. Yeah, my English is also slowly, don't mind at all. Thank you for the follow. Thank you very much. And yes, you can. By the way, Google Translator does a really good job nowadays. You can use your native language and use Google Translator not if it's a whole text, but for short sentences, it does a very good job. But thank you really much. Thank you very much for the follow. And I would start with if you're starting with Python, I would just more focus on the tutorial, and if the tutorial depends or is based on a certain if the tutorial is based on a certain IDE, I would use the IDE the tutorial or the creator of the tutorial is using. And but if you know the basics and want to switch to data science, I would then switch to the but there should be a video based IDEs for data science, and then I I can imagine that maybe Jupyter is even better for data science. Oh, thank you really much. Yeah, I got a whole data science tutorial. It's more like NumPy and pandas is more for the basics, but yeah, you can also do a lot of stuff with it. But it's, I don't know, can you call it outdated? I have to, yeah, I have to see, I have to look up if there's anything new in regards of data science. And then I maybe have to do a small update, what is new to pandas, what is new to, but thank you, yes, I made it on my YouTube channel. I have a lot of tutorials. And yeah, now back to, oh, this was a misclick. Leave now. Yeah, good night. Have a, thank you. You too, have a good night. Sleep well. Yeah, I don't know how long I will stream. Depends on certain factors. Okay. So, and hello to the one who joined recently. No, up to, I don't know. I wanted to, what was my plan now? I planned something I wanted to do now and I totally forgot it. But yeah, what was my intention now? You know the issue? If you have some intentions and totally forgot them. I won't call it any sickness. I'm not, but yeah. Okay, so next step, inventories. If self-container, yeah, self.container point image item class. How did I call it? Image. Okay, screen point bullet. Self point x plus 2 and self point y plus 2. Okay, now it gets interesting because we want to add an item. Yeah, I have to check this because now we are a little bit closer to our goal, reaching 4 followers, close to 5 followers. Yeah, now what is interesting is if we click on one game, other inventory, because usually we don't want to build only one inventory but multiple inventories, like we have our own inventory and the inventory of the guy we are looting, or we want to build our own inventory and yeah, the inventory of a vendor or a trader. And because we can't manage this usually, we use default none again. I would recommend in a lot of cases set default by none. Yeah, it's kind of not base stuff, but it's, yeah, my personal recommendation. Okay. No, what now? I wanted to turn on some music. Streaming music.
Ja, wegen der
This was an ad, I'm sorry. This was again an ad. Yeah, let's use this one. Is this too loud? No, not at all. If the music is too loud, please let me know. And yeah, hello to everyone who joined recently. Yeah, please tell me if the music is too loud by any means. Please let me know. And yeah, I just said something is in the background. I will turn it a little bit louder when I do a break. But apart from that, yeah. So usually what I was going to say is usually we have another inventory. And, oh, this was a mistake. Usually we have another inventory. For example, the equipment. If we have a character that can be equipped with a hat, with a chest armor, with a whatever, a sword, this is exactly another inventory. So the default one that is opened if there's no other inventory. So the player has two inventories, one usually and one that is his equipment. And he also has and a vendor, and if you loot something, a chest, for example. So now, yeah, works fine. Worked fine. I'm totally, like, I'm biting my tongue and enjoying it to bite my tongue. I'm not enjoying to bite my tongue. No one enjoys to bite his tongue, except you are masochists, some people who are into biting their own stuff. There is a fetish for everything, so yeah. And now I get into territory, a strike territory, so I won't keep on that topic, and everyone left, so yeah, I shouldn't get on the topic either, because lost my viewers. Don't want to lose my viewers. Okay. Yeah. Now let's do something which I call for test. Because here, yeah, items, we have items, and we have the garbage. Here we have our chest 1. This is our chest 1. This will be our chest armor for test issues. And yeah. See if anyone. Yeah. This will be our testy test. Well, I think this. Anyways. Looking it's not time for a break. Not at all. So yeah, chest. So we have our items. Item class. Class equipable. Purple. Which inheritance, you won't believe it, from item. And yeah, because of inheritance, whatever, inheritage, you have to add a superclass in it. And as a superclass, image equals image. And yeah. Then we have a function which is def equip self and player. For attributes and self point attributes. Self point attributes equals. New Python file class attributes class attribute def init pass will be defining that later. Hello and welcome to the one who joined recently. Yeah, I shouldn't sing. If I sing, the viewers will kind of teleport away. If I snap with my fingers. Yeah, I told you. For attribute point infect player, and then we need def unequip for attribute point uninfect player. Oh yeah, we also need player here. Okay, what else is important is the slot. Equipment slot save point equipment slot equals equipment slot. This will be important for later issues, later users, trust me. Source is trust me, bro. And yeah. I have to note when I made the last break, because then I know if I can do another break. Okay. Yeah, it's more when you get ill or sick, you kind of have problems to code that fast. But yeah, I'm pretty satisfied that I... So equipment slot. Point big picture equals how do you transform again? Player pygame point transform point scale. Transform scale. And now we need our image, and the new scale equals, yeah, let's say 40/40. We can, yeah, do that later. So this is big picture. So back to attributes, because now we need def infect and def uninfect. Again, we need a player. Player. As well, pass and pass. Class add HP. Def save point description equals, and we have our self point name and self point description, or not yet. Here. Okay. Look at the chat. Nothing new in the chat. I'm missing a sound that the chat makes when I'm clicking on the chat, like a blip or blop or something. If someone writes something in the chat, then there comes a sound, and then yeah, but I'm really missing something like you know, If someone writes something in the chat, then there comes the sound. Okay, now I'm hearing myself. It was not intentional. And hello to everyone who joined recently. Yeah, I'm working on pygame, a game in pygame. Yeah, I'm developing a game in PyCharm, in Python, using pygame. If you have any questions, please write them in the chat. If you want to know anything, write it in the chat. If you want me to show you anything, we can also do data science, Python basics, anything you want. Just feel free to write them. Apart from that, I will continue, because now we are handling or implementing the item system. So, dev init, name. Now we have to add the supercall, because this inheritance from the attribute class, attribute class. Now I got it. Attribute class. Yeah. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. Oh, please forgive me. Yes, I'm kind of losing my mind because I'm still sick. Catch the cold, and yeah, that's why I'm losing my mind. Okay. Amount. Amount equals 10. Point name equals HP. Self point description equals an empty string, and here we have self point description equals format plus amount name. And this can be our default one, by the way. We don't need an empty string, we can use this one, because in most cases it will do its job. Which is good. Or reasonable. Reasonable to good. And an overview. I need a jingle. Like a jingle. Yeah, I need a jingle. Kind of a jingle. Like, what can be a jingle? Should I program it or should I keep it safe? Like this. Add HP. So infect and uninfect are pretty simple. Player HP plus equals amount. Self point amount. Sorry, self point amount. And oh, of course, self point amount equals amount. And yeah. Should I program it or should I keep it safe? Doesn't make any sense, but I need a jingle. And yeah. We all need jingles. I mean, like, who doesn't need jingles? Everyone needs jingles. Everyone do the jingle. Bomb. Okay. Yeah, that could be a nice screenshot. And an item has a name, this is important, self-point name. And self-point amount equals 1. Self-point max stack equals 1 by default. We will also later have an item that is called stackable. So if you have, for example, money or a certain coin or a certain item you are collecting multiple versions of, you will get an item which is called stackable, and then you can stack it to a certain degree. Yeah. That in mind, I guess I will now make a short break. 10 minutes. Oh, wrong one. Guess I will be back at 0:10. Yeah. See you. Okay, these are not. These are actually 10 minutes, so I will do 10 minutes. But now, see you.
I'm in the whip with authority, looking like Sky-Bree, she got a body, ayy. And she been calling me daddy lately, want me to put her in Cartiers, and the deserve it. Put in work for the money, she earn it. Give me top every night, lip service. Now I gotta block these, she worth it. I'm out in Abu Dhabi, with a bad look like Sky-Bree, ooh. Right beside me, in the phantom off that body, yeah. Abu Dhabi, with a bad look like Sky-Bree, ooh. Right beside me, in the phantom off that body, yeah. Abu Dhabi, with a bad look like Sky-Bree, ooh. Right beside me, in the phantom off that body, yeah. Abu Dhabi, with a bad bitch look like Sky-Bree, ooh. Right beside me, in the phantom off that body, yeah. Shorty a dancer with her OnlyFans, got her bands up. She independent, got a lamb truck, don't need no man, but I'll man up for that, ooh. Put it on camera, she a freak, nothing I can't handle. When I'm pulling up in that phantom, I got a wetter than Niagara. To my dog, I'm with the leash. Ain't no one holding me back, I'm a beast. Showing them off, falling my teeth. None of them with me in these streets, ooh. Sky-Bree hit me in my DMs. I've been trying to meet up and see ya. I can fly you out to Abu Dhabi with a bad bitch look like Sky-Bree, ooh. Right beside me, in the phantom off that yeah. Abu Dhabi with a bad bitch look like Sky-Bree, ooh. Right beside me, in the phantom off that yeah. Abu Dhabi with a bad bitch look like Sky-Bree, ooh. Right beside me, in the phantom off that yeah. Abu Dhabi with a bad look like Sky-Bree, ooh. Right beside me, in the phantom off that yeah.
Okay, I'm back. So let me move this aside. And yeah, welcome to everyone who joined. People are all doing fine. And yeah, any questions, write them down in the chat. Make the music a little bit, yeah, quieter. And yeah, now continue. Now I have something like class chest armor, item. Test image equals pygame point image point load. Now I have to look up items chest one, copy path reference, load. There we go. Now we have def init, self, image equals test image. And equipment slot equals oh, it does not inheritance form equipable. And now we need a 0. Define it as an integer. Yeah, you don't have to do that always, but yeah, in some cases this can be, if you're working with multiple programmers or coders, I would recommend, yeah, initialize or yeah, define which kind of data type you want to do. Don't need to do that always, but in this particular case, I yeah, highly recommend it. Okay, chest armor, image slot. We have a name. Okay, still. Looked something up in the chat. Yeah, sometimes look certain stuff up in the chat. Sometimes I do that. Sometimes I don't. Always anyways. This doesn't make sense. You don't say always anyways. Who does this? Okay, I do, but no one should do that. Okay, chest armor name. Simple. Yeah, can be kind of tricky. Twicky. It will be tricky. Tricky. Yeah, I need to drink water. Don't wanna get dehydrated. Always stay hydrated. Hydrated? Something like that. Yeah, my pronunciation fails. I can make a compilation of my pronunciation fails. A compilation of my pronunciation fails. Yeah, that's how you kind of get into the rhythm. To the algorithm. Import def get make proper description itself. For as in attributes self point description point append as point descr. Okay, self point, make proper description, like this. And yeah. Hello to the one who joined recently. Yeah. Working on a proper management system for my RPG, or more to be more specific for the items. Anyways as always. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Yeah, that's my phone, I'm sorry. And yeah, welcome to the one who joined recently. Yeah, I'm working on items, but now edit. So item class. Now we have to head back to interface because now we wanna add an item. Wow, yeah, this got pretty long, pretty much code. Def add item. So for slot in self point slots if slot point container equals none. Slot point container equals item. Pretty simple but effective. So yeah, this should work. Music gets a little bit quieter. And yeah, nothing new in the chat. No, nothing new in the chat. Session is 2 hours, not that long. And yeah. Invalid position for bullet. Okay, so how again did bullet work? Bullet. Ah, okay. Let's try it again. Can you see it? No, you can't see it. Me. Oh, he did it too often. Way too often. But hey, at least we tried. So. Ah, yes, I'm totally stupid. Slot. Yeah. This seems to work. Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, and I forgot to put the game away. I'm sorry. I'm stupid. Today I was at the doctor, and the doctor, yeah, did a knocking noise against my head. I guess it has some issue, but I simply replied, "Sounds empty, doesn't it?" And yeah, she didn't get the joke. Why am I telling this? I don't know. No, but if you knock against my head, it sounds empty. You know, the emptiness in my head. Not the emptiness in my heart, but the emptiness in my head. That's why I can't do proper coding. Okay, so anything new in the chat? Nothing. Chat is empty. Empty like a void. Yeah, so totally unstable. I'm not unstable, even if I sound unstable. Do I sound unstable? Write it in the chat. Do I sound unstable? I'm not unstable. Yeah, this was, by the way, my neighbor who moved a chair. Like he always does. He likes moving chairs and tables. Anything relatable. Okay, I will do the rest of the item system tomorrow. I guess we got pretty straightforward. Still, I'm not entirely satisfied. But yeah, I can have a deeper look when tomorrow in the morning, and then we can do it later. Now what I wanna do is I want to add some level stuff. So yeah, because it's pretty boring if we just enter a level. We have only one kind of tree. And I want to change that. Oh, they are attacking me. Yeah, got new shouts. Can also level up a little bit. Yeah, we one-shot everything. Can you see? Oh, you can't even see what I'm doing. So, wrong one. Wrong window. Where's the window of the? Only one way to find that out. Or is it here? Ah, no. This is just an image. So yeah, I'm confused. Why can't you see the game? Sorry for the inconvenience. Is the opposite of an inconvenience an outconvenience? Maybe you know it is the opposite. That's important. Is the opposite of an inconvenience an outconvenience? Ah, here we go. I just missed it. Okay, perfect. So here's the game. Here we go. Yes, so. Okay. So what can we add? Let's add a portal system. Sounds nice, if you ask me. Yeah. Let's head to let's try to get a portal system. If I don't fall asleep. If you hear my head falling on the keyboard, it's me falling asleep. But I give my best not to fall asleep. Can't promise anything, but yeah. Yeah, I'm a little bit sleepy, I'm sorry. Won't survive that long today. Okay, maybe. Yeah, I'm sleepy. Sorry. Won't do that much longer. Survive that much longer. Okay, back to item class. I wanted to. Grassland. Okay. Hello, if anyone has joined recently. Yeah. Yeah, we also need the portal which heads us back to... Hello to the one who joined recently. Yeah, I'm working on an RPG. You can see here. Can you see it? Maybe not because I didn't open it yet. Good to see it. No, yeah. That's the thing I'm working on. The abomination. Yeah, feel free to ask anything. And yeah. Continuing. So yeah, we have already these grasslands, and what I'm gonna do now is like a wayfinder, which gets us to a new instance. Okay. So we need a common portal. And we need something like something like, if my head hits the ground, I fell asleep. And if that's the case, I'm sorry. Okay, first of all, yeah, I'm fighting with the urge not to fall asleep. Sorry for that. class, let's call it Pathfinder. Let's see. Ah, okay. It is called Pathfinder. I don't know what is the English term for. I don't know the non-English term. Pathfinder. What could be the term for Pathfinder? Wayfinder? What's the term for that? I need to have a quick look. Dictionary. Oh, do I? Yes. Either English. A signpost. Ah, okay. Signpost. So the white word is signpost. But I just realized I need to make another break. I'm too tired. I need something to drink and all sorts of that. I will have to make a break, 10 minutes. I'm sorry. Or I think at least 10 minutes. I can't really say exactly. Yeah, need a little break to catch some breath, and then yeah, I will return. Okay, I'm back. Still eating, and where did the music go?
Without you, babe, so listen up.
Yeah, let's use something more neutral. And hello to the one who joined recently. Yeah. No. Yeah, now let me draw something like a signpost. Shouldn't be that hard. Okay. Let's say height is 40, 30 is so width. Okay, add alpha channel. Now, most importantly, what do we use as our colors? No, it should be more. Don't like that. Can you see what the hell I'm doing? Yeah, I'm drawing. And yeah, I'm not good at drawing. But you can see what it should be. Where's brown? There's brown. Oh no, this is too brown. This is too brown. Okay. Yeah, this kind of goes into decent territory. Not good, but decent territory. Now let's get into good territory. Okay, this is the pathfinder for now. Or a signpost. That's the thing, I guess. Okay, with that in mind, path on content. Here we go. Here we go. Perfect. 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 Some chill music. Really chill music. This goes away, by the way. By the way, away, yes. Okay. 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 That's strange. Somewhat strange. Okay, but doesn't affect the game by now. Where's game? Game. game, 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 game. Game, where's game? Hello to the one who joined recently. I'm sorry I'm eating. Sorry for the... Yeah. I'm trying to add a portal in my new game, which is this one. Let me show you. No, this is not the game. This is a game. I mean, this one. Yeah, trying to implement a new portal. You already see a portal which dives you into the outside world, but you want to get back. And here is some ad I need to skip. Yeah, I really need to install an ad blocker. I'm too lazy. I feel ashamed. I have to feel ashamed. 100%. But anyways, yeah, welcome to the stream. Okay. So, now, this level should contain a side post and the action is game point. Where's the game? First of all, close. Other tabs and game should be in base files. Here we go, game. So game point level. From point advanced levels import complete mess. Okay, advanced levels point randomized level import complete mess levels. So and it is game point levels point apart. And game point switch, level switch, game point level switch, switch. Okay, back to it. So, level switch. Now the image. x let's say plus 34 and plus 12. And x plus 12. And yeah, let's say the 3, 3. I'm wondering, is he using get rectangles or rectangles? Strange but interesting. Hello to the one who joined recently. Testing, yeah, chat is working. Keeps updating like it should be. Okay, I'm thinking. Hello to the one who joined recently. Sorry. Yeah, I'm thinking, how can I solve this particularly problem? Is there a solution? Was there a solution? That's things you need to know. By any means. Okay, let's try it. Oh, I first need obstacles. So where's the advanced levels? randomized levels. Self point. Import base files points. No, import sprites. Sprites point, non-movable point, other grassland as grass, and add grass point. Can't I add a signpost? Point grassland sprites as grass. Now it should work. Grass point signpost width x equals width minus 40, or let's say minus 50, minus 60. Height equals height minus 60. Huh? What? Oh yeah. Knew this was cause an exception. I knew it. This never works. Okay. Still an exception whatsoever. Whatsoever and so ever. Try again. Okay, that seems to work. Now I'm curious if it's gonna work. Okay, they're shooting at me, but okay, so we reached it. And image equals signpost. Try again. Oh, this level looks cool. By the way, you maybe wanna see it. I'm doing. This level looks cool in my opinion. Okay, so to evade the errors, something like this, evasion. Evade the errors or evasion. Oh, here's the signpost, okay. Okay, interaction doesn't work. Ah, okay, action rectangle. Because I have no action rectangle. Okay, let's try it again, but now it's an action rectangle. Self point. I did it in. Let's see, where did I already implemented something like this? In mention exclusive floating, there's a portal. Oh, it's just a piece. Animated. Action rectangle, okay. No. This should do it. Now let's see. Oh, this level is ugly. Can you see it? Yes, you can see it. This is an ugly level. Like so ugly your eyes will fall out and protect your heart or something. This ugly level. I mean an ugly level where you're... Or maybe an ugly level more like your heart jumps out of your chest, trying to protect your eyes. I don't know what is more accurate. Sorry, too tired. Hopefully now it works. Frame rate doesn't drop. Okay, what did I do wrong? But E doesn't work. E pressed, E doesn't work. Print. Ah. Let's try it again. Let's see. Oh, this level looks better. Way better than the previous one. Can't compare it in the slightest. Previous level. I wanted to check if we print it. No, not. So it doesn't get into the action. Because I didn't. This is pretty silly but simple. Self-point interactables. Now what else do I need? Maybe some luck. Do I need luck? Yeah, I need luck. Anyways. Yeah, we're drinking too much, I'm sorry. If anyone joined recently, hello and welcome. Interface game. Ah, okay. Now let's try it again for the 500th time. Trees look cool. Okay. Now I will fix a little bug that randomized level. Let's try it again. Now should always generate a level. Wow, okay, this is a big one. Didn't expect that the frame rate don't drop. Doesn't drop. Ah, look at that. Yeah, and this will now get to infinite. Okay, I guess that's it for today. Yeah, wish you a wonderful evening, dinner time, night time, whatever time it is in your country. See you hopefully in the next stream, and bye bye.